Welcome back to America Tech. In episode 2 of Getting Started with Power BI, we're going beyond spreadsheets and building an interactive report from an Excel file. Today, you'll see exactly how to take data from Microsoft Excel and turn it into a live dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. Instead of manually updating charts and reports in Excel, Power BI lets us connect data, create visuals, and interact with insights instantly. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by launching Power BI Desktop. Click Get Data, Excel Workbook, select your Excel file, and load the data. Power BI connects directly to your data source. No copying or manual updates required. From the Fields panel, select a category and a value. Power BI automatically generates a visual chart. Resize the chart and adjust labels for clarity. Visuals are created instantly and can be customized without complex formulas. Now select a value in the slicer. Notice how one selection updates the entire report. This is the key difference between static spreadsheets and interactive reports. When your source data changes, simply refresh the report. Power BI updates visuals automatically. No rebuilding charts or formulas. Imagine updating a monthly performance report. In Excel, manual updates, repeated formatting, separate charts. In Power BI, connect data, then refresh. Insights update instantly. Today you learned how to move from Excel to Power BI in practice. Imported an Excel file into Power BI. Built a visual chart from your data. Added filters for interactivity. Updated a report automatically. Power BI transforms spreadsheet data into interactive insights. In episode 3, we'll explore designing effective dashboards, turning data into insight, where you'll learn how to choose visuals and structure reports for decision making. If this video helped you learn how to build your first Power BI report, like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Have questions about working with Excel data in Power BI? Drop them in the comments. We may feature them in episode 3. Thanks for watching. See you next time.